Hey everyone, my name is Malika. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you're here to stay. If you're a returning girl, hey girl, hey. So today I wanted to show you all a packing video real quick. Just show you some of our orders that were placed over the weekend, and just show you what all was ordered and how I package our orders, especially in the summer months when it's hot. So if you are interested in how I pack my orders to prevent our body butters from melting, just keep watching. Okay, so our first order is from Tina. She ordered our Mother's Day bundle, which featured oatmeal, milk, and honey matching body butter, soap, and bath bomb, as you can see. So we're just gonna start packing that order. The box is pre-made already. I just put down some paper and then some tissue paper, and then we have, for our Mother's Day bundle, we had like a little message when you open the box. So for this order, comes with the oatmeal, milk, and honey body butter, oatmeal, milk, and honey bath bomb, and an oatmeal, milk, and honey soap. So how I like to package my orders for the summertime, I get some of these installation bags, which I just ordered some more. But this is what they look like from Amazon. So I just take the installation bag. I'm gonna try something new, because normally I used to have glass jars, and I would wrap those in bubble wrap, and then the ice pack would just lay on them safely. But since I have plastic jars now, I do not want the ice pack to melt, like any wet to get on the labels. So I'm just gonna also stick this in some protection as well. And it's the same thing that I have for the body, for this ice pack as well. So what I'll do is, and the reason why we do ice packs, because in the summertime it's extremely hot here in Texas, and I just want the orders, like the butters especially, to arrive safely. So we do like to take extra measures, to prevent any melting. So I will lay the body butter in like this, and then the ice pack in, and then I would just roll. Because see, this installation bag is going to, whatever temperature it is, like say in the inside, this is what's going to, it's going to stay that temperature, the same temperature in the inside. So since I'm putting the ice pack inside, it's going to stay cold in the inside. Okay, and then I'll just fold it down. Take some tape. And I'll fold the bottom down as well. So I just want to seal it up so that the temperature will stay cold in the inside. And we do ship priority mail, so the order will arrive within 2 to 3 business days. So that's always great. And then, like I said, for the Mother's Day bundle was the oatmeal, milk, and honey matching body butter, soap, and bath bomb. So I'm just going to stick that in there. Then I'm just going to take some of this confetti in here, because I don't want any movement in the box. So anywhere I have spaces, I'm just trying to fill those in. Okay, and then we're just going to fold it shut. And then we have these little stickers that says, "Hello beautiful, it's time to glow." I like to stick those on there to seal it. And then I will put our thank you card, which also has a message on the back and a discount code. I will take our business card and then also a little message, to how to take care of your butter once it arrives during the warm temperature, weather. Then I'll place that all on top. And then also, of course, the packing slip. I write a little message on it. And then I will just fold it shut and then tape it and then weigh it out and then it's ready to go. Okay, girls, so we have another one, and this one is a smaller order. So this is how our smaller orders are packed if you just order one body butter or a body oil or a body scrub by itself. This order is placed by Stacy, and she ordered one pink sugar her butter. So we're going to pack that. And this is what our pink sugar looks like. This is what our pink sugar her butter looks like. So we're going to do the same thing. Like I said, I'm trying something new right now. We're going to put the butter inside of this plastic wrap. Normally, this is also what I use for my soap shrink wrap. And then I will take my heat gun to seal it. But with this, I don't need to do that. I just tape it. Then we'll just close that, and this order is ready. Okay, so for our next order, this order is placed by Kelly. She ordered her Mother's Day bundle, which comes with the oatmeal milk and honey matching body butter, body soap, and bath bomb. She also ordered a brown sugar her butter and a vanilla. So let's pack that. So we got it to fit. So let's double check. We got the matching oatmeal, we got brown sugar, and we got vanilla. So now I'm just gonna fold. So this order is placed by Mandy, and let's see what she got. She got a Her Butter Glow in the scent of vanilla, which that is our shimmering body butter that's made of 24 karat gold, bronze, and unicorn pink. Then she got a lemon pound cake body butter. Just focusing. Okay, and then she got the pink sugar bundle, which comes with the matching body butter, bath bomb, body scrub, and body oil. And then also she got an oatmeal milk and honey butter and a brown sugar butter. So let's pack this order. Back with the big box, which you can get this from USPS. You can go inside and get it, or you can order online. Of these that I like to save. Like anytime I get an order and they come with these, I just recycle them. Thank you card, so I'll put that on top, and then you know we have our business card and how to care for your butter, and then of course our packing slip showing her invoice with her what all she ordered, just showing. And then so I will just fold this, and then like I said, I did add our thank you. I'm sorry, I did add our time for some self-care on top, so when she opens her box, it'll be right there. Then we're just gonna tape it, girl, and that is it. So that concludes our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.